Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? Let's dive deep into SPY and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, December 14, 2023. Now, we're here to give you even more insights. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.49. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 9.59%. This means it has achieved an average return of 0.32% per day since it was labeled as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. For short-term traders, this could be a great opportunity to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks up at the top trend line at $479.51, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 8.15% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between -1.57% and 9.87%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a 15.73% change over the next year. This means there is a potential return between 2.82% and 18.43%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $485.32 to $558.99 after a year. In our latest update for SPY, we have some positive news to share. On Thursday, the SPY ETF experienced a green day, gaining 0.332%. The price of the SPY ETF increased from $470.44 to $472 on the last trading day. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains for the ETF. While it's not common for ETFs to see such a continuous upward trend, it's important to anticipate some temporary declines in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $469.25 and a high of $473.73, a difference of 0.95%. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in an overall increase of 3.45% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of trades has also increased, with 30 million more shares being traded compared to the previous day. In total, approximately $53.73 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, totaling 114 million shares. Looking at the ETF's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached was $473.73, while the lowest price recorded was $374.77. Currently, the price is 0.36% or $1.73 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 1.66% or $7.98 below the all-time high, which was achieved on January 4, 2022 when the price reached $479.98. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, the stock will find support at $463.09 and $446.31. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 14.93% increase so far. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may influence the near short-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet in a special combination. Such a combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is showing a sell signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 34 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 28 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a buy signal 31 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 14 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for the SPY ETF. When it comes to downside support, the ETF currently has 2 levels to watch out for. The first one is at $429.54, just below today's level, and the second one is at $426.43. If the ETF breaks the first support level, it may fall to the next one at $426.43. Additionally, there's another support level at $412.55. The SPY ETF is known for its controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes the overall risk considered very low in this stock. Looking at the recent data, the ETF had a $4.48 movement between its high and low in the last day, which is equivalent to 0.95%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility was 0.9%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for SPY. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly under the right conditions. As a trader, you can take advantage of this by entering a position and using volume as a key indicator for determining when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders looking to anticipate a rebound in the stock. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $455.95, representing a decrease of 3.4%. This ETF demonstrates low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 currently stands at 80, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 33 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good investment? SPY ETF shows several positive signals and is currently experiencing a weak upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering these factors, we believe SPY ETF is a favorable choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Friday, December 15th, we expect SPY ETF to open with a decline of $0.340 and begin trading at $471.66. Before we dive into the world of trading, it's important to remember that it comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. Remember, by utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your opinion on our current view of the stock. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.